we're on our way to 7-Eleven and DisneySea. Yikes.
Well, it looks like it's only us two today. The weather does not permit the bigger camera. Hui hui! Good thing I have my windrunner. Unfortunately, the windrunner can't protect me from this. It's bloody pouring. Couple goals, couples who match clothing. You've got a friend in me.
It's raining and it is glorious.
Where's Australia? We are lining up for our first ride, 20,000 leagues under the sea.
It's the sea.
We finished our first ride. It wasn't as good as I remembered it to be, but
Oh, I completely forgot how
it's
it
still
ended.
good.
Let me be one with the rain.
We're in line for the Tower of Terror ride.
I'm terrified of long lines. Before her
Oh, there are some babies behind us crying. I'm not gonna lie. There is some humor in this event. Oh, my picture, I probably look like, oh. What a day, what a glorious day. God damn, it's so windy. Water just went down my sleeve into. Guys, you're witnessing what we call privilege. Oh, is that a 1 hour queue? Skip. What can I say, ladies and gentlemen? Don't hate the player, hate the game. What the? Why does the priority line have a line? How do I join the priority line that skips the priority line? So good that it's raining. The queue times are so short. The longest one here is an hour. And then after that is 45 minutes. And everything else is like 5 minutes. It's great. We're going on Raging Spirit. I'm not going to try my luck at recording this one because of the loop. There's no line. It's great. Since Kelly and I couldn't record, this is what we sounded like on the loop. Oh my god, look at my hair.
Yeah, I know. Look at you went through the shower.
I am so excited to eat. It smells lovely. Rocket the Casbah. Rocket the Casbah.
Very good. I like curry. This is the only thing I remember eating the last time I was here, 5 years ago. And it's still very good. Nom, nom, nom.
Now we're heading to what's this mermaid place called?
Mermaid Lagoon.
Mermaid Lagoon.
Yo, this is pretty cool. Does this mean the other camera is recording me just eating popcorn?
Yes.
Welcome to the Kelly Cam.
We're at Mermaid Lagoon.
After 5.5 hours, the rain has downgraded to a very light sprinkle. So enjoy some B-roll.
Like nothing.
It's raining again. I can't film shite today. Was that it? That was it? That was it? Not so short-lived. We're having a little snacky snack. Not as good as the American one, but better than Hong Kong.
That's so specific.
How is it?
Nom nom nom. Strawberry feta.
Oh, it's mochi.
You don't like this one? Yeah.
It is currently 3:15 p.m. We are waiting till 8:30 p.m. for fireworks. We've got one ride we want to ride on, which is called
Soaring.
Soaring Fly. It's the new High School Musical ride.
Well, this is Disneyland, so maybe.
Alright, let's go.
And the people love it.
Of course, Kelly gets distracted by the popcorn. Very nice.
Do you like this artwork?
That's about all we... You look like you're held captive right now. Well, that's about all we wanted to do at Disney. We got 4 hours to kill.
4 hours to shop.
Until the fireworks. Goodbye. And the rain stopped.
Yeah, what the heck? Very nice. Everything paid off. So warm. Excuse me. I'm a small photographer.
I'm a photographer. I have 2 million views on Instagram. Would you like your photography taken? Oh yeah, but, here you go.
But I'm the photographer, why are you? Henry's timing is just unlucky. Trying to record the birds, trying to record this volcano erupting. Just all out unlucky. The timing.
Why did it stop?
What happened?
It was just like 2 of them. Oh! Oh!
Was he
That was
recording?
That was like half a second.
You're so unlucky.
Well, what a piece of shit.
Oh, it's again! No, it happened again. He's given up.
Kelly and I are gonna ride this in the meantime.
Hello!
ディズニーの仲間たちの願いの物語。
How is it?
Excellent. All the savoury ones are better than the sweet ones, actually.
But I think you're the sweet one.
And we're back from Disneyland. We left here at 6:45 AM and now it is 9:45 PM. Well, we have some instant noodles to try from 7-Eleven, which Kelly will cook shortly.
Oh, I have to cook them. I can't go shower.
Cook 'em. The fatigue is real.
Disney has taken all my energy and all my money. Disney, we are going again.
In 2 days time.